Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome to another video in which we are going to see what is a credit card, how credit card works, different features of credit cards, and the things that we are not supposed to do with our credit cards. So let's get started with this video. A credit card is similar to an ATM card or a debit card, which you can use to purchase goods at mega stores or online or anywhere else where credit cards are accepted as one of the payment methods. Unlike debit cards, the amount from your bank account is not debited instantly. Instead, your outstanding balance is accumulated during your credit card monthly cycle based on your purchases. Before going to see what exactly is a credit card monthly cycle, we need to understand that it is very much important to pay the credit card monthly bill in full instead of paying just the minimum balance that most of the credit card companies want you to pay to keep your credit card active. Also, most of the credit card companies do not charge any annual fee on your credit card, depending on the type of card. Coming to the credit card monthly cycle. Every credit card have a different monthly cycle that you can change based on your preference. Now, what is a monthly cycle? Let's see with the help of an example. Let's say monthly cycle of your credit card starts from second day of the month till the first day of the next month. Usually, monthly cycle consists of 30 or 31 days. During the cycle, you purchase goods using your credit card. Now you need to understand that the amount of all the purchases that you have made during this particular cycle will get accumulated and you will receive a consolidated report which is called as a credit card bill after the end of the monthly cycle. And the last day to pay this bill will be approximately 20 days after the last day of the cycle. That means 21st day of the month. This means that all the goods that you have purchased from 2nd Jan to 1st February, the last day of the total amount that you are supposed to pay for all these purchases will be 21st of February. Now you have two options to pay the bill. Either you can pay the bill in full or pay the minimum balance that is mentioned in the report. But as I have mentioned earlier, it is very much important to understand that you should always pay your credit card bills in full. In this way, you get a maximum of 50 days interest free credit on your purchases. So it is very much important to know your credit card monthly cycle dates so that you can take full advantage of the interest free days that you get on your credit card. With every credit card that you use, there is a certain limit that you can use within a monthly cycle. This limit is mostly imposed so that people use credit cards wisely. Let's say if you have a limit of rupees 50,000, then you can use a maximum of rupees 50,000 to buy goods within your monthly cycle, not more than that. If you consistently pay your credit card bill in full, the credit card companies decides to increase this limit based on your usage, spending pattern, and the factor whether you pay the bill in full or not. This can happen anytime between 6 months to 2 years. Remember to always pay your credit card's bill in full to avoid accumulation of the interest on the unpaid amount. Now let's see what you should not do with your credit cards. Never withdraw cash using your credit cards. If it is not urgent, it is recommended not to withdraw cash using your credit card in any of the ATM machines. Use your debit cards instead. The reason behind not withdrawing cash using credit card is that you will have to pay a penalty which can range from anything between rupees 300 to 10% of the cash withdrawn using credit cards. Credit cards are designed to be used to purchase goods and not to withdraw cash. So avoid withdrawing cash using credit card in any of the ATM machines in order to avoid penalties. Never pay minimum due balance. Credit card companies give you the option of paying minimum balance on your monthly bill, but if you are not aware, you will have to pay interest on the remaining balance amount, which ranges from 15% to 35%. If you feel that you can pay minimum balance and keep your credit card active and be the happiest man in the world, get ready to pay interest on the remaining amount that you did not pay on the last day. Pay your balance in full. Never use your credit card unwisely. Never use your full limit every month. Credit card companies will come to know that you are credit hungry and use your full limit every month, which will impact your credit score. Credit score is a factor which is used while lending loans. So it is very much important to keep your credit score high and use your credit card wisely and pay your monthly bills in full on time. I hope you have understood how credit card works and what are different things that we should avoid doing with our credit cards. Feel free to comment in the comments section in case you have any queries. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. Stay tuned.